Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Script and Execute. My name is Shruti. So in my previous video we saw how to convert simple spec file into framework. Okay, so in today's video and in some upcoming videos we'll try to add some more pages to our framework. Okay, so here I have noted down some use cases. Okay, so in this SauceDemo application, and we will see all of them one by one. Okay, so in the product page, so this is the product page. So here what are all the action we can perform is, if we click on the settings icon, we can validate about page and we can validate logout. This all items and these things, they are not working, so I'll show about and logout. Okay, then what we can validate in this logout page, we can validate filter. So here we have filter option. So there are four filters, so we can validate. Then we can validate adding single product to the cart and adding all the products to the cart and adding few products to the cart. Okay, so we can mention that add only these two products or give any name of the product, so it will add that to the product. And so after that, so this is the product page, and I'll go to next is cart page. So this is the cart page. So here what we can validate the data is proper. So whatever we added, so here it is coming properly. It is showing the name, description, and the price properly. And we can validate removing functionality and continue shopping. So if I click on continue shopping, it should come back to the product page. So we can validate that. Then in checkout, yeah, checkout info. So in this checkout info page, so we can validate cancel button. Then we can try to add all this and we can click on continue. So here in this this is a checkout overview page. So here we can validate the product we added is correct here, and we can validate the total, and we can validate all these things, and we can validate cancel and finish. So this is the final page, checkout page. So here we can validate this message and click on back home button. Okay, so these are all the use cases I have noted, so we will see one by one. Okay, so in this video I will show you two things, that is click on logout and click on about page. Okay, so we are where we are now, we are in product page, correct? So we have to create two files, correct? One is to keep the locators and another page is to keep the actions. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so here first we'll create a object and we'll store product page object. So where we will do that, inside locators we will create product page locators. Product page locators, locators.ts. Okay, so here we will keep products, I mean elements. So we will create an object, so export const, and we will say product page locators. So this is the object, is equal to curly braces. Okay, so what is the first object? So we'll add many for now, so whatever we need we'll add only that much. So first here we need to inspect this setting icon. So here we have this id, let us take id. So setting icon colon, so id, so I have to use ash. Okay, then next one is, after clicking on that, what I want logout. So let us inspect logout. Okay, it has id, let us take id, logout link colon ash logout. Then we want about, so we will say about link, about link colon, we will inspect about link. So this is the id. Okay, so now, so we are ready with the locators. Okay, to click on logout, um, logout link we have locator, and to click on about link we have the locator, and to go to these two we need to click on this settings icon, we have this. Okay. Okay, so next let us create product page. So in pages, new file, we'll create product page, product page dot ts. Okay, so here, as you know, we need to import page from here, page. So import page from Playwright test, and what we need to import. So here, as I said, so in this page we'll perform two actions today. One is logout and about, and these two locators are present in here, logout page locators. So we need to import here. So import product page locators. So here it is, product page locators. Okay, so now we'll create a class. So export class name is product page. Okay, so now let us create a constructor. So you know why we have to use constructor. So private page of type page. Okay, so I'll put this here. Okay, so now I'm in product page. First we'll do for about. Okay, so we'll create a method to click on. First we'll do for logout. Okay, so what do we call the method? Logout. So async logout. So to log out, what we need to do, we need to click on that settings icon. So await this dot page dot click. So we need to click on that settings icon. So where is that settings icon? Inside that product page locators. So product page locators dot settings icon. So we clicked on that. Then we need to click on that logout. Await this dot page dot click product page locators dot logout link. Okay, so this logout page is clicking on the logout is done. Okay, so logout method is done. So next what we do, so we'll create another method to click on open about, async open about page. So for that also we need to click on the settings icon. So I'll copy it. Then we need to click on um, about link. So await this dot page dot click product page locator dot about link. Okay, so the methods are done. Okay, okay. So now what we need to do, we need to create a spec file. Okay, so in order to validate all the product page related functionality, we'll create a product page spec file. Okay, so we'll go to tests and we'll create a file and we will call it product page. Product page dot spec dot, sorry, it should be ts. I'll rename it dot ts. Okay, okay. So now, what are the things we need here? First, we need to import test and expect. Let us import that first. Test and expect. Oh, I'll do it once again. Import test and expect. Why? Okay. Test and expect from playwright test. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, so next what we need to import? We need to import base URL, username and password. So import base URL from utils, then username, then password. We import it. So next what we need? So since here we are validating the product page functionality, we need to import product page. So import product page. Okay, so we have imported all the necessary things. Okay, so now what we need to do? So here we need to validate two things in the product page. One is logout and about page. So we'll create a describe block. Okay, so we'll create a describe block and we'll keep two tests together. Okay, so today we'll create two tests and tomorrow we'll keep on adding. Okay, so let us create a describe block. So how to create? Test dot describe and let us give the name. So let us call it product page validation. Product page validation. Okay, and inside the describe block, so we will create before each block. Okay, so why we need to create before each block here is, so we know that, so in order to perform logout functionality, first we need to log in, and also in order to click on this, in order to validate the about page, we need to login. So for both of them, so we need to log in first. So we'll do the login inside before each. Okay, and before that we'll create two objects, that is login page and product page. Let login page colon login page class. Login page, then let product page colon product page. Okay, so now let us create a before block. Test dot before each. Okay, so test dot before each. Before each means, so whatever we put inside this before each, it will execute before each test block. Okay, so here the test blocks are login and about page. Okay, so async page. Okay, so now let us create an object for login page and product page. So login page is equal to new login page. So we'll pass page inside, and product page is equal to new product page, and we'll pass page. Okay, so now what we need to do? We need to log in. So we have already here. So enter the, so before that, launch URL, enter username, name, and password and validation. Let us copy it. Okay, so before each is ready. Where is that? Change all occurrences. Okay, and okay, so I'm looking for something to organize this. Format document. Yeah, format document. Okay, so now before each is ready. So now let us create two test blocks to validate login page and about page. So test, the first one is validate logout. Validate logout page, or let us say validate logout functionality. Async. Okay, so to log out, what we need to do? So first we need to click on that settings icon, and that method is already present here. Logout. Okay, so let us call this logout method using this product page. So product page object dot logout. Okay, so after logging out, so we need to validate that. Correct. So I log out, and after logging out I want to validate that this login button is present. Okay, so where is that login button? Login button is present in login locators. So let us import that. Import login locators. Okay, so in the login locators we have login button, so I'm importing the login locators here. Okay. Okay, so await. So here also I have to use await. Await, expect page dot locator. So which locator? So the locator is login locators. Login locators. Hey, 1 minute, let me copy it properly. Login locators dot login button. Login button to be visible. To be visible. Okay, so after the logout, I'll validate login button is visible, so I can confirm that so it logged out properly. Okay, so now open about page. So test, validate about page, and navigate back. Okay, async. Why new data? Sorry, this is test. Small letter. It is fine. So we need to click on about page. So await product page dot open about page. Okay, so I clicked on open about page, and here I'll show you. So just clicking on is not enough, we need to validate something in about page. Correct. So I'll click on about page. So I'll validate this request a demo and write free is visible. So let us inspect. Okay, so let us validate So button has a text, request a demo. Okay, so where it should come in product page locator. So let us go back to product page locator and add these two things. So what do we call that? Request demo button. Request demo button. So button, and we'll say has text, and the text is request a demo. Okay, try it free. Okay, so now let us validate these two are present after after we click on to this, after we clicking on this about page. Okay, so await, expect, we expect page dot locator. So which locator? Product page locators dot request demo button. Request demo button to be visible, to be visible. And same thing for try it for free. I'll copy the same thing. Try it for free button. Okay, and after that I want to go back. So I'm in this page, I validated that I want to click on this go back button. So how to do that? Page dot go back. Await page dot go back to click on that back button. Okay, so here I just validate this setting icon is present. Okay, so await, expect page dot locator. So product page locators dot setting icon to be visible. Okay, so now let us execute. So here instead of login we have to give product page, and let us hit enter. So here we have two tests. So since we are having two tests, it is assigning two workers. Okay, so it launched two browsers. About, okay, one passed, one failed. So let us assign only one worker. Okay, so here we'll give hyphen hyphen workers is equal to 1. Okay, so we can see the execution one by one. Okay, so I'll give hyphen hyphen workers is equal to 1, and we will see what is that error. So if you think you're learning something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So in the next video I'll be adding, okay, I clicked on about page. So one error we'll see. While double quote while passing says is selected. Okay, so here we should not give space. Okay, so now let us execute. So in the next video, we will try to add all the possible actions we can perform on a product page. Clicked on logout, then it clicked on about page. So here, okay, it clicked on back button. Okay, so let us run this report. So npx playwright show report. Okay, so we ran two tests and two are passed, and total time is 21 seconds. Okay, so this is the date and time. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and once again, if you think you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll try to add some more pages to the same framework. Okay, so please do watch all those videos. So thank you so much.